Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a quiz here on Wix. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to the left panel and click on Apps, Add Apps. Wait for it. Here under App Market, go ahead and use the search bar and type in quiz. Okay, hit on enter. Wait for it to load and you have a ton of options right here. And the ones that is pretty popular is Quizall. Okay, if you want to use this one, go ahead and do so. If you want others, go ahead and check it out if you want to. But for this video, I'm just going to be using Quizall. Click on it. Now just go ahead and click on Add to Site. Agree. Just wait for it. There you go. It says Adding Quizall. It says here, Create First Quiz. So just click on it. Click on Settings. Now go ahead and click on Manage App. And here you'll be able to create your quiz. Just click on Create Your First Quiz. Maybe start from scratch, import questions, or create with AI. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and start from scratch. Change the theme if you want to, like the progress bar, animation, and some other stuffs. Okay, pages right here. You can also add a script, config, jump logic, product matched, translations, score quiz. Now going back, if you want to add in some more or more page, like so, as you can see the second page right here, just double click on the text field and change it whatever you want. Okay, like what is your dog's name? Answer 1, click on it, change the answer, maybe Blackie or Whitey. Text style, you have that in here. Now once done, go to the next question, do the same. And the last one right here would be your lead page. Okay, if you want to delete this page or not include it, click on the 3 dots and hit on delete. Okay, and once you're happy with it, click on save. And to make this pop up to your Wix website, just go ahead over to share, embed. You have the option for full page, in page, or pop up, read bar, floating. I'm just going to use in page, copy code, save it, close, go back to your Wix editor, add element, embed, use HTML. All right, paste that in here. Update. Wait for it to load. There you have it. Here's your quiz. Okay, just make it bigger if you want to, like so. And then when we hit on preview, get started. What is your dog's name? Answer 2. Full name, last name, phone number, agree, hit on next. All right, if you want to edit something for your quiz, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on Add Apps, Manage Apps. Now you go ahead and find Quizall. Open, click on it, Settings, Manage App. There you go. That's how you create a quiz here on Wix. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.